Hi everyone, and happy December. I can't believe it is already December. We are getting into the holidays. We have a very simple, quick, easy, but really fun and really useful craft for you today. If you have not already, you can pick up one of these kits from either library location downtown at the checkout desk or at the children's desk or out at the Helen Warner Ranch. It looks like this. Again, this month is coming in this nice little blue bag. And like I said, it's a really simple one this month, so there's not a lot in here. You have your directions in case you need them. You have your jar, and you have your mica powder. Now, all of the crafts are not the same. They have different colors, so you might have a different color powder than I do. But no matter what color you have, I think it's gonna turn out pretty cool. I have one that I've already finished here that I'm gonna show you real quick so you know what you're making. It's called a calming jar. This is one that I've had at my desk for a little while. This is what it looks like. You shake it up, you can see. It's pretty cool, and it's just a really nice tool for calming your mind. It's something you can shake it up, you can sit and you can focus on it for a few minutes if you need to calm your mind down, if you need to relieve some anxiety and stress. And it's just fun, and they're pretty, and they're cool to look at, and they're very easy to make. These would even make probably kind of cool gifts if you're doing homemade gifts for Christmas, if you celebrate Christmas. So I'm going to show you how to make it really quickly. Again, you have directions here if you need them. The first thing you're going to do is unpack your kit, which I just did, very small kit. The next thing you're going to do is take the ring and the lid off of your jar. Now we are going to, and they're actually on your directions, it says to cut the top with scissors, but you don't even need to. They're all have a little Ziploc top. So what you're going to do is open this bag up, and you're going to pour it in the jar carefully. I know it looks kind of scary. This stuff is not toxic. It's what people use to put color in like their soaps and bath bombs. So it's not toxic. It might stain though if you get it on your table and leave it, or if you get it all over your hands and don't wash them off. So wash your hands off, but you don't need to be scared of it. So now I have all of my mica powder in the bottom of my jar. Now, the only other thing you're gonna need that we didn't put in the kits is some water. So I have a water bottle here with some water in it. And all you're going to do is take your jar, fill it with water up to the top of that lip. So you wanna fill it like all the way up to the top here. Then you're going to, you can stir it up a little bit. You're gonna take the lid, put it on. You're gonna take the ring, make sure it's on there right, screw it on really well, and you're done. That's it. And now you can shake it up, stir it around a little bit, and you've got your own calming jar. I don't know if you can see the powder moving around in there. But it looks really cool. It's fun to look at. Now, you can also put, if you have like glitter or sequins or snowflakes or whatever you want to at home, you can put that in the jar as well, and then it gives you like something to focus on. But you don't have to. You can just have the color, and you just shake it, and you watch the color swirl, and you watch it start to settle back down to the bottom, which takes like a good 20 minutes or so. So that is a calming jar. I hope you have fun with this craft. I hope you find it as calming as I do. And let us see your photos if you make one. You can tag us on Instagram or Facebook. We'd love to see what you make. And yeah, have fun with it. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of December and happy holidays if you celebrate. And I will see you back here in January for the first craft of 2022. Bye.